Hey, I got a question, guys. Has anybody seen this promo with this bird thing coming out of the box and laughing? I see an umbrella. I see it looks like a cup. And there's a birdie thingy. It sounds like a Bray Wyatt kind of laugh. But what is this thing? Is this... Now I know it's a WWE promo for somebody, but I don't know who. But to me, it looks like a Bray Wyatt promo. What do you guys think? Bray Wyatt promo or just some silly thing? Huh? Who could this be? I'm thinking Bray Wyatt.